If you want to learn new recipes with minimal ingredients, here are the top 5 best cooking apps with easy to follow recipes. Hey guys, welcome to brosmart Tech and let's get started. First one is Yumly. Yumly is your smart cooking app offering thousands of recipes all over the globe. You can learn how to make momos, waffles or dalgona coffee. To be very honest with you guys, I tried making dalgona coffee. The froth, the foamy part sank into the milk. So I don't think I will make it again because I'm very happy with the simple coffee that I make in just 2 minutes. Now with Yumly, you can create simple coffees quickly. Yumly has everything you need from tutorial videos to ingredient lists. You will be able to create and save grocery lists, add favorites and follow diet charts. Big Oven makes cooking simple for you. You can search the food you are going to prepare and the app will display the recipe in detail. You can find recipes from all around the world. After you decide what to cook, you can create a grocery list on this app too. Big Oven has multiple categories which makes it very easy to find a particular type of cuisine. The app interface is also clean and it is super easy to follow and use. The recipes are very easy to follow and understand. Now the app is free to use and you must use it. Tasty is my personal favorite. It has limited recipes, but those recipes are generally easy to make and the ingredients are easy to find in your house and local market. With over 3000 tasty recipes now at your fingertip, you can cook anything. Searching a new recipe is also super easy. You can filter by any ingredients, cuisine or social occasion you are in mood for. Some of my favorite feature of this application are the get step-by-step instruction on how to cook every single recipe. Your phone screen will never sleep while cooking, so you don't have to turn on your display after like 5 minutes or 30 seconds. And also watch latest videos to learn quickly and add all your favorite recipes to wishlist. Now when you open Kitchen Stories, you will be introduced to thousands of free recipes, HD instructional videos and articles about cooking and baking. Plus, you can also publish your recipes to share with the global community of home cooks. It's easy to use and offers a variety of recipes for beginners and also for experts. I'm not an expert when it comes to cooking, but I tried few dishes, simple ones because if I did something wrong, my mother would have kicked me out of the house. Fortunately, with the help of Kitchen Stories, I was able to cook tasty tomato pastas at home without using any fancy utensils that you will generally see in some videos. And oh yeah, it turned out really well and it was really tasty. The recipes are easy to follow and you must give it a try. Archans Kitchen is India's one of the most trusted and leading recipe food discovery app that you should use. With easy to cook recipes, videos, meal plan ideas, lunchbox ideas, along with diet and fitness information, this application, which is Archans Kitchen, is the best. This application is perfect for our Indian audience. It has a wide range of recipes with Indian and international cuisines. I have gone through some recipes and the recipes are easy to understand with focus on using local and simple ingredients, healthier cooking techniques and step-by-step recipe instructions which make cooking easier for everyone. It is the best cooking app for students and bachelors also. Comment below the cooking app you liked the most. Do give this video a like and subscribe to brosmart Tech for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is brosmart and I will see you in my next video and stay safe.